back to my new video. I'm going to do hair spa at home. So I will test this heating cap and see how this one works. The link is in the description box, and thank you so much for sending me those for free to test. I'm very excited to give my hair a treatment. From the distance, my hair looks pretty good, but I do have split ends, dry on the ends. It also gives you a shower head. On the website it says this is electric temperature control heating cap, comfortable and safe. So it has 3 modes, so off, low and high. This way is to help your hair deeply moistured. It also helps with hair damage and your scalp. The hair conditioner I'll be using is the Herbal Isis, the rose set. I just started using this set of hair shampoo and conditioner because I really like this scent. But after you wash your hair, it has no scent. It doesn't remain scent on your hair. Okay, so the first thing is to wet your hair. It's better to do it if your hair is like half dry. Make it wet. I don't want to do the entire of my hair. This is because I don't want the hair conditioner touch my scalp. It's because it is very hard to rinse off the hair conditioner, and I don't want this to clog my pores. So this is just for the lower part of my hair. You can see that the hair like up to here is very soft, very shiny. Oh, it's getting warm now. Even though the temperature is the highest, it doesn't make me uncomfortable. It feels good, it feels warm. Maybe after a while, it'll make me hot. Actually, it'll be very comfortable if you're doing it in winter time. Even though the AC is on, it'll still make you feel hot. Because my hair is very long, so the lower part of my hair gets drier. Every time when I use the hair conditioner, I only apply it on the lower part of my hair. I don't apply it directly on my scalp or my bands. It's just the lower part of my hair. The last time when I visited my parents, my mom did use similar method to take care of my hair, but without the heat. Just apply the hair conditioner on my hair and rub it up. Yeah, it's pretty warm inside. So far, I don't feel uncomfortable. And before you're doing this, make sure your hair is clean. I really like this scent. I think the shampoo has more rose scent than the conditioner. This one smells better. It's like perfume, very nice perfume. I really want to try all the scent. After I finish those two, I'm going to buy other set. I really want to try the mint and strawberry and see how it works. I also put the link in the description box. It's about right. If you feel it's getting hot, you just turn the setting to no heat, and then I'll just go ahead and wash off the hair. So I just washed my hair. I feel silk already. This is very convenient, and you will not make it dirty because when you wear a shower head, it will keep it clean. If you want to wash the inside, you can wash it because it has a zipper that you can take this one out. Inner material, it is very convenient. I usually don't use hair dryer to dry my hair because the heat can damage hair, so I usually just air dry. But today I want to show you guys the result faster, so that's why I didn't air dry. Wow! It's looking really good. It's not completely dry yet, but I don't want to use the hair dry now. So I don't like the heat on the ends of my hair, but the result is already pretty good. So my hair is naturally not bad, but every time right after I washed my hair, the lower part of my hair will be a little bit fuzzy. The next day it'll be gone. I actually washed my hair this morning and I did the hair spa and it's no fuzziness. Wow, look, very smooth. after then you're at shower and you just do the hair very quickly, wash the hair and put the hair conditioner, and after maybe 1 or 2 minutes and wash it off. But if you do a hair spa after you took a shower and you're spending like 20 minutes to take care of your hair, and the result is very good and it is very smooth because it's got all the nutrients. Once a week is enough, and it also help your hair grow faster. If you want to look better than before, you really need to take good care of yourself. It does take time. It's like your teeth and your skin and your hair or other part of your body. So I just tried once and I feel the texture is smoother than before. Very smooth. Then try it out if you are interested. I'll put all the links in the description box. Wow, so smooth. Another product I want to try from their website is this electric eyelash brush. It's not obvious because my lashes is very short, super short. This is just to make your lashes look curly. The temperature is warm. It's not the temperature that will burn your skin, so you just apply it on the lashes and wait for 10 seconds, and then the lashes is curly. Then curly a little bit. It's hard to say from the distance. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in next video soon. Bye!